Hi, it's Sean with Battleborn Batteries, and today I'm here to answer a frequently asked question. Why do we call our battery a drop-in replacement for lead acid? Very simply, this battery is the same exact size as this traditional lead acid battery we have here on the table. This is a Group 31 here, the lead acid battery on the table. Our battery fits right between a Group 31 and a 27. You can see it's almost the same exact size, so any battery box or rack that you've built, our battery will drop right in. Well, there's another reason why we say that too, is because our battery works well with almost 99% of the components that you use with this battery. So your inverter, your converter, your inverter charger, your solar charge controller, all the parts and pieces of your vehicle or your sailboat build or your off-grid power system normally will work really well with our batteries. We always want to do an evaluation on your system to make sure that you have everything in place that works properly, just so that your system works the way it should and you get the most power out of it. So the best thing to do is, if you have a question of whether or not those components work well with us, is to shoot us an email or give us a call and we'll go over it with you.